Hello, I'm in the beautiful town of Veit in Pongau. Today we are visiting the BMW dealership AutoFrey. We are here because there's an interesting Eltako installation here. And what this looks like in detail I will show you now, come along. I'm here in the showroom where a few highlights already await us. However, we are not here because of the beautiful cars, but because of the special Eltako installation, and these I present to you now. Here you can already see the familiar Eltako blue. Here the Series 14 is installed and our professional standard units. The switching power supply unit SNT12-230V/24V DC for supplying the door opener. And the dual impulse switch ES12-200-UC. Let us now turn to Series 14. The antenna module FAM14 is required here. Also installed are the FSB14 roller shutter actuators and the FDG14 dolly gateway. In this project it was implemented that 120 dolly luminaries can be controlled via 10 groups. You can also see the FTS14 TG push button gateway. The special feature here is that wired push buttons transmit the signal via a 2-wire bus to the RS485 bus via the gateway and then control this bus. My personal highlight here is the placement of our mini safe 2. Let's control the car dealership. Here you see a wired push button. Behind it is our bus push button coupler FTS61BTK, which goes to the FTS14TG in the distributor, which in turn switches the relevant actuators via the RS485 bus. All lights can be controlled via the GFA5 app. As an example, let's take the lights above the workplaces. And the lights in the exhibition space. Now let's move on to the bottom hung windows. They can also be easily controlled via the app. Of course, I leave the dealership with my dream car. If you liked the video, feel free to leave feedback in the comments. See you next time. Bye!